I'm independent worker and just sacrifice for my dreams and good tomorrow. I am willing to share with the other peoples of the world about amazing pure organic barley. Actually, mayroon na. Nakaranas na ako ng mga pagkakasakit bilang ng COVID, tuberculosis, acid reflux. Nang subukan ko ang amazing pure organic barley, yun na, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Dating sakitin noon, naniba ko ang aking katawan dahil sa amazing pure organic barley. The amazing pure organic barley is a very real, 100% pure, natural and original. No more another ingredients. Is that more sweetness, no preservative, no chemical side effects, no artificial colors. Left and right challenges, no one is holding back, especially now, today and tomorrow and another coming days to be the next generation. As a proof of quality of amazing pure organic barley, it's proven to be 100% pure, natural and original. No more other ingredients can cause of damage to the product or the health of our dear consumers. When I started amazing pure organic barley, I saw the changing herbs in my body. I was given energy and I sharp of mind from the start until now. I never stopped to taking amazing pure organic barley. Viewers, let's start your generation. So while the weather is good, while the chances is good, I am amazing pure organic barley. I am Michael Anthony Rosario and I am